Hey, Nick Lacapo here with Penguin Magic, and today, let's crack a pack of the brand new Gingerbread playing cards. Fresh from the oven, these cards are the perfect balance of sweet and spicy for all of your holiday gatherings. Designed by Douglas Fuchs, the Gingerbread deck is wrapped in 100% custom artwork. The festive, colorful tuck box has been printed on the inside and features a custom sticker seal. Printed on Penguin Magic's Ultra Luxe, a casino-grade European cardstock that has been crushed to the perfect thickness with just the right amount of linen texture. The cards are traditionally cut with smooth edges that provide the perfect amount of grip, but still soft enough to get to work straight out of the box. The back design features adorable gingerbread houses encased in snow globes, surrounded by Christmas lights, candy canes, and much more. The jokers feature two familiar holiday friends, a reindeer and a snowman. Also included in the deck is a custom double-backed card and a blank face card for magic tricks. Each ace has a large, half-eaten gingerbread cookie suit in its center. The card's indexes are smaller than the standard size, and the soup pips have been completely rebaked into gingerbread cookies. The court cards also have gingerbread cookie pips and feature unique, friendly characters on all 12 cards. Even with all the customization though, the gingerbread playing cards are still highly playable in any holiday card game. The cards are printed using vegetable-based inks and Penguin Magic's Aquaflow technology. This exciting new water-based coating will not only ensure your deck shuffles, fans, and spreads perfectly, it's also durable enough to meet the needs of a full-time magician, cardist, or card sharp. The Gingerbread playing cards are the perfect stocking stuffer and a must-have for all of your holiday gatherings. And they're available singly or in custom 6-pack boxes at penguinmagic.com. Free shipping worldwide. So, if you want to crack your own pack of the Gingerbread playing cards, head on over to penguinmagic.com and check them out.